any line that I'm repeating often is an affirmation. So I'm affirming it. Every line that I repeat is creating an energy, because I'm creating it here, then it's radiating to the vibrations of my body, then it's radiating to people, and it's radiating out into the universe. So if I say, I want to be happy, I will continue as a want only. So I have to say, I am happy. I don't want to get scared. Will not work. I am fearless. I'm confident. So no negative word in the affirmation. No, not, wish, hope. No. It is.
Whatever you've chosen to start practicing, immediately create an affirmation for that I'm doing it consistently. So write out your affirmations that I am a powerful being, I am perfect and healthy, and I walk daily, I exercise daily, I move regularly, I eat right. So put it as your affirmation so that what you want to do and how you want to do will become easy, because your mind will also be aligned with that. If someone at work every hour had to say, I am powerful, I'm calm and stable, I'm happy, work stress word will finish, because they are energizing that resilience. Work stress is pressure divided by resilience. Pressures are high, raise your resilience. Raise your resilience. So meditate for a few minutes in the morning, but the organization can help you to do it for a minute every hour. Even that keeps your resilience higher during the day. Kids, you'll say, I don't have time, I'm very busy. If they're going to use this affirmation at this age, when they're kids, it's a big deal later. So we have to be very careful and just change this line and say, I'm easy and I have a lot of time. It doesn't mean I'm not working and I don't have work to do. But I say, I have this work, but I have a lot of time to be able to do this. If somebody says, can I meet you today? I said, no, I'll meet next week. But I will not say I'm busy, I don't have time. I just say, I've lined up for this week, we can. So that vocabulary shift, that affirmation shift, changes a shift in the energy of the system. So that word is very important.
How does one deal with self-doubt?
Create an affirmation of self-faith and create an affirmation, I am a powerful soul, I love myself, I respect myself, my every decision is accurate, my every karma is accurate, success is certain for me.
Don't look for happiness outside, because it's not there. And that is why everybody's like, I want happiness. The more they're going to affirm, I want happiness, I want happiness, the more it's going to manifest that you're not going to get it. I am a happy soul. Always happy.
Yeah.
I'm always happy. Keep affirming that I'm always happy. So then you're creating the right thought. And when you're creating the right thought, you're healthy.
Yeah.
Emotional health is happiness. You could be in a completely messed up situation with low on funds, low on resources, body unwell, people not with you, and yet you can be happy.
Don't go to sleep with questions, what will happen tomorrow? What if this does not happen? Now the mind is going to be troubled for the next 6-7 hours. Just write, tomorrow is going to be a beautiful experience. I'm going to come out successful, that is certain. There is absolutely no doubt about it. You are just instructing your mind what is going to stay with what thought before going to sleep. So before going to sleep is the most powerful time. Do not go to sleep without a shower here.